In its biggest case ever, the International Court of Justice was mandated to answer two questions. The first one, what are countries obliged to do to protect the environment from greenhouse gas emissions? And the second and more controversial question, because it could assign blame to wealthier nations with a long history of emitting greenhouse gases, what are the legal consequences for governments when their acts, or lack of action, have harmed the climate? Since 2023, a panel of 15 judges at the UN's highest court have pored over tens of thousands of written submissions from over 100 countries. And they've heard 2 weeks of oral arguments in their goal of creating a definitive international standard when it comes to climate change and environmental law. The island nation of Vanuatu was a driving force behind getting the UN's highest court to issue a legal standard. The country's climate activists explain that because of rising water levels, the ruling for them is existential.
What happens when climate change is taking away your human rights? Your right to life, your right to food, water, all of these. The impacts of climate change, dire, absolutely dire right now, will become catastrophic as the years go by if we do not course correct.
The court's ruling is only advisory, but Vanuatu's climate change minister said it could nonetheless provide a legal guideline for courts at all levels across the globe.
This will be something they can use, whether it's a municipal level court or a state level court. They will be able to use this new ruling to try to make governments be more accountable and do more. It will also be a game changer for this whole climate discourse we're going through.
Big polluters like the U.S. have said that the Paris Accord and other climate treaties should be the basis for the ruling. But developing nations wanted a broader international law guidebook on the past, present, and future responsibilities of nations when it comes to climate change.